What's up guys, it's Ronnie at German Motors, and this is a 2023 Land Rover Defender 110 Carpathian Edition, but this one's a little bit different than the one that you saw in your Whole Foods parking lot yesterday because our customer just spent $15,000 upgrading this Defender 110 with the Urban Widetrack body kit. And in this video, we're going to show you everything that goes into this kit, why it's one of the best kits on the market for the Defender 110. And we also did a full custom exhaust on this car that you're going to hear in a minute. So let's get started and show you what went into this Defender. So this body kit from Urban goes through just about every single part on the exterior of the car. It is fully comprehensive. They touch just about everything to give the Defender a more sort of street-focused, aggressive styling, which was the whole point of the new Defender in the first place. The first unibody Defender, all the previous ones being body on frame, less truck-like, more street-focused, and the Urban kit just takes that up a notch further. So let's go through some of the details that make this kit look really, really good on the new Defender. All right, we're gonna start up front going through everything that is different for the Urban kit on the Defender. Now, basically the whole front fascia is changed as a part of this kit. All of these lower grille elements that you see are updated with the Urban kit to make it look a little bit more aggressive. So everything is finished in gloss black. Now this is a 2023 Defender Carpathian Edition, which means it is finished exclusively in Carpathian gray metallic. The gloss black contrasts with that really, really nicely. So these lower fog light assemblies, the lower grille, and the grille itself are all part of this kit, and Urban also accents with their logo instead of the Land Rover logo, which gives it a super cool bespoke kind of custom look. Now the Carpathian Edition comes standard with a gloss black hood. We happen to repaint the hood on this car for the customer because it had some rock chips and whatnot in it, and we wanted it to all match nice. So the hood is gloss black from factory, and we just had it refinished so it looks proper. But the front end with the grille inserts, the fog lights, and of course these front splitters that add a lot of aggression to the front end are all part of the Urban kit, and they look amazing. Up on the hood, you also have these vents that are added as part of the body kit as well. They match the factory gloss black hood really nicely and give it an even more aggressive sort of street performance look. Now, the biggest part of the Urban kit, by far, what the kit is kind of known for, is the fender flares. So Urban calls it the Widetrack kit. Now, you can buy the fender flares individually. So if you don't want to ball out and spend $15,000 or even $25,000 if you want to do this kit in carbon, but if you just want to get the fender flares, you can get those on their own from Urban. They're about $1,700, and they add a ton of aggression to this car. In addition to the Urban fender flares, we also added 25mm spacers up front and 30mm spacers out back on this particular Defender. So these fender flares just attach over the existing bodywork on the Defender, so you don't have to drill into your fenders. There's no crazy installation. Obviously, it takes some time to get it all looking right, but you do not have to permanently modify any of the bodywork on the car. Now, on this one in particular, you might notice that these are the factory wheels that come with the Carpathian Edition. This customer wanted to hold out, still not sure what wheel setup he wants to go with, so we're still rocking the factory wheels for now, but we're looking for either the Urban wheels, maybe some Vossen wheels, still undecided. Maybe we'll update you guys on that in a future video. But you'll also notice that these calipers are painted red. That's not part of the kit, but we wanted a little color pop, so the customer asked for the calipers to be painted red, which I think looks fantastic. So you have your fender flares, and to complement them, you also get these pretty aggressive mud flaps that are part of the Urban kit as well. You get the mud flaps front and back, which look awesome. Obviously, it's a Defender. This is a more OEM plus sort of street focused build, but the Defender's, at the end of the day, an off-road type of vehicle, so mud flaps kind of fits the vibe. You also get these gloss black side gills or side vents with the Urban branding in them as well. Along the side of the car, the side skirts are still the factory Carpathian Edition, so that gloss black look is how they come from factory, but it ties in really nicely with the Urban kit. Along the side, again, Defender off-roady, so you still have some bits that make it look a little bit more, you know, Defender than, let's say, X5. So you have these side steps which jut out pretty far, and they also visually lower the car quite a bit, which I think looks really nice without actually lowering the suspension. Obviously, these Defenders come with air suspension, so doing coilovers or something like that to lower it isn't really an option. So side steps bring the car lower visually, which gives it a perfect stance in conjunction with fender flares, spacers, mud flaps. Along the side, you also have the Urban badging, where there was originally a Land Rover badge, which looks super nice. Again, just gives it sort of a custom look. When you see that badge, you're not seeing Land Rover, you're seeing Urban. Now, like we were saying, the Urban kit is pretty comprehensive. So around back, the car is far from factory. Obviously, you could see the mud flaps, and look at that fitment. Just looks awesome in the back with the spacers and the fender flares. But Urban also does their own tire cover, so you get the Urban branded tire cover, which obviously is a big statement piece when you're following this car from behind. And you also have one of my favorite parts of this kit, and that is this roof spoiler. Again, Urban branded. They put their name on everything because why not? But that spoiler looks awesome. And everything together, again, it's going for like a street build Defender, which is a super cool idea because obviously the Defender made its name as an off-road car. When you build one OEM Plus for like a street performance build, obviously this car has the V8, 500 plus horsepower. It's awesome. It changes the Defender completely from cool, you know, range topping Defender spec to what is that when you see it on the road. It looks amazing. And perhaps the best part of this build we haven't even talked about yet, but while we're around the back of the car, now's the time, and that is the exhaust. So this is a part of this build that is 90% done. The only thing we're missing are the exhaust tips, but we did a full custom in-house fabricated exhaust on this Defender. So let's grab Mo, the shop owner, to tell us a little bit more about what's going on with this exhaust and obviously show you guys what it sounds like because it is insane. All right, guys, we are here with Mo. Mo, what is going on with the exhaust on this Defender?
So a quick walkthrough of this exhaust system. Customer wanted to be a little bit different. As you know, these cars sound super quiet with the stock exhaust system. So all we did was a resonator delete, and we did something very unique for him. We did a X pipe / Z pipe, custom fabrication in-house using TIG welding quality and 303 stainless steel piping.
Why a Z pipe and not like an H pipe or an X pipe or what everybody else does?
Z pipe gives it off a different tone when the sounds clash together, and you know, you have something very unique out of this car, which is different than any other Defender that you see on the road.
And it's going through the stock muffler.
Stock muffler. It just replaces the stock resonator.
You want to get a sound clip?
Hell yeah, let's do it.
All right, guys, that is going to do it for this quick walkthrough of this Defender 110 with the Urban Widetrack body kit. Overall, I think this is an awesome kit for the Defender. The Carpathian Edition is already like a level 10 on the Defender scale, and then this takes it up to an 11. And then the German Motors custom exhaust takes it up to like a 13 or a 14. I have never heard an exhaust on a Defender sound that good. It sounds insane, and if you want a similar exhaust for your Defender, hit us up at German Motors and we'll build one for you too. It sounds awesome. Overall, super cool build. Customer is thrilled with this car. And thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more content like this on cool builds, some wrenching, some projects, all that stuff, it all happens at German Motors. So subscribe to the channel. If you think we deserved it, click the like button, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks.